Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Asmajahangir. Welcome to you in today's experiment demonstration. Today we are going to perform an important experiment from class 11th, which is to find the unknown weight of a given body with the usage of parallelogram law of vector, with the usage of Gravesand's apparatus. So let's dive into the concept and step-by-step procedure. That parallelogram law states that when two vectors acting simultaneously at a point in such a way that they are the adjacent side of a parallelogram, then the diagonal of that parallelogram will be the resultant vector. Right, with the usage of this principle, let's find out what is the unknown weight of a given body. So here we have two aims: to verify parallelogram law of vector and to find the weight of a given body with the usage of this law. So as you can see, this is a Gravesand's apparatus, the first and the foremost requirement. So here we have hanged three weights. Two are unknown, this one and this one. These two are known weights, but this one is unknown. So we have to find this weight with the usage of principle, parallelogram law of vector, and this is the Gravesand's apparatus. So let's move forward. What are the requirements of this experiment? Requirements are, firstly we need a sheet to place there, and to stuck this sheet we need some pens, and for the calculation and that measurements we need these two things, as well as this protector and a pencil, of course, to do everything. So this is the Gravesand's apparatus, which is the first and the foremost requirement of us. So about the principle, this is the first formula which we have to use is W is equals to OC into scale. I will show you what is OC and a scale. So the next formula is R is equals to under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. With these two formulas, we have to find the weight of unknown body. So first and foremost, we have to make sure that these two are in an equilibrium and this is in a constant position. Means the oscillation, this unwanted oscillation is not required. So just be steady. So let's stitch this sheet on this board with the usage of these drawing pins. Okay, so now as you can see that here is a shadow is creating here, right? So with the usage of this shadow, we have to point these shadows, this and this as well. So you can add more points to get a fine line, how much you have wanted, whatever. So just remove these pins and take the sheet, and we have to do the calculation on this sheet, the calculation and the line and all that stuff. Let's join these points. Okay. These we have taken the scales, 4 scales, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 1 scale, 2, 3 and 4. As you can see, these are the 4 scales, right? So we have to take the 4 centimeter. Okay, this is the 4 centimeter. So now let's make the arc. Place this part of this point here and mark an arc here. As we know that both sides we have taken 4, right? So this side as well. Okay, point this here and mark here, and we have to point this here and mark there. Take point here and mark there. Okay, now let's join these arcs. Okay, now the step came, it is that we have to name them as, let's take it A, B, and this is C. Let's take this one as O. Now we have to measure these sides. This is 4 centimeter, as we know that we have taken that, but still Now this side, which is approximately equals to 4.3. Okay, now it's time for the to fill observation and calculation table. Scale 1 centimeter. Scale means that this one is a scale. So this 1 centimeter, one scale is equals to 50 gram. As we know, these are the known weights, so we know that this is 50 grams. So right here the 50. Okay, so this P is the weight of a, like this side and this side, right? This, yeah, we have hanged 4 weights here and 4 weights here. As we know that one is 40, we have hanged 4 there, so it is 200. Q is as well, we know that we have taken both sides the 4, so it is also 200. Never mind. So next is a degree. A degree is, we have to find the whole theta, the whole angle of this is the degree. We have to find this. Which is approximately equal to 15, 16, 17, 18, okay, 118. Okay. So this angle is 118 degree. So let's write here. You also have to make this column as well on your notebook. So it is 118, right? So let's write here. Now we have to find this cos theta degree, which is cos into this one, 118. Cos theta degree, which is equals to minus 0.46. So now the next column is about sides. OA, we have taken here OA, OB and OC. So OA, it's 4 centimeter, right? So let's write here 4. OB is 4. OC is 4.3. Okay, now this is unknown weight. We have to find the, I have mentioned already, with these two formulas we have to find. Firstly, we are doing with this formula is W is equals to OC into scale. OC here 4.3 into scale is 50, we know that. So let's write here 4.3 into 50, which is equals to 215. So the next one is R is equals to under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. So let's do this one. Now we get a value which is 207, means 207.8. So we did the first observation as well as the calculation of that. Now let's move forward and do another observation of this. As much you will increase the observation, the error will be decreases. Like the more clarity will be there. So let's do one more observation with adding one more scale of weight with this side as well. So these two have to be in an equilibrium. Start moving there. Okay, these two have to be in an equilibrium. We can use anything which you have in your lab. So I'm using this scale here to make sure that they are in an equilibrium. Okay, let's stitch this sheet once again here with the usage of drawing pins. As you can see, this is the shadow. I'm considering this one and making point there. That's it. Now remove this sheet and have to join that and all that things once again. Okay. Join these points as we did in the previous one. Okay, as we know that we have taken the 5 scales there. Okay, so take 5 centimeter with the usage of ruler. Yeah, it is 5 centimeter. Now place this point in the center of the lines. 5 centimeter from this side and from 5 centimeter from this side. As we did this calculation, we have to do this as well. So P is, we have increased the weight, right? So it is now 250. We have increased one scale there, so it is 250 now. This side as well, the 250. So the degree, which is, now I have measured there, which is 132. So let's write here simply 132. And this one, which is cos theta degree, which is equals to approximately minus 0.66. So next column is about sides, which is OA. OA is 5 centimeter. OB is also as 5 centimeter. And about OC is 4.2. Okay, as well, that W is equals to OC into scale, so it is 110. By using this formula, we get the value, which is 206.1. Okay, let's move forward. So now we have to find the mean of two things. Means firstly we have to find the mean of these two, then we have to find the mean of these two. So as you can see, I have already right here. So the first one is 215 plus 210 divided by 2, right? We have to find the mean. So the formula is we have to plus those with that the number of observation, right? So which is approximately equals to 212.5 gram weight. Okay, now let's move to this one. This is this one plus this one divided by 2, which is approximately equals to 206.95 gram weight. Okay, let's move forward. Next is our result. As we know that the parallelogram law of vector is verified with this, and the weight of the given body is 212.5. So let's write here 212.5 gram weight. So yeah, that's it. We have find that weight of a given unknown body, which is this one. So as we have find the weight of this unknown body, which we have given, which is approximately equals to 212.5 gram weight. So this is the weight of this body. So let's end here. Thank you. Thanks for watching.